SPEL and S3D Training Program Advanced Technical. Introduction. Greetings from URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. In today's highly competitive engineering, procurement and construction EPC environment, project success depends on accurate engineering data management, seamless multidisciplinary collaboration, intelligent design systems, and digital project execution. Modern industrial facilities such as oil and gas refineries, petrochemical complexes, LNG plants, power generation facilities, chemical processing units, fertilizer plants, pharmaceutical facilities, water treatment plants, and offshore platforms require sophisticated engineering software solutions capable of managing thousands of interconnected engineering objects and millions of data points. Among the most widely adopted engineering platforms globally are Smart Plant Electrical (SPEL), Smart 3D (S3D). These solutions have transformed the way engineering organizations design, execute, and manage complex industrial projects. In this video, we will explore architecture and functionality of SPEL, Smart 3D technology and intelligent modeling, engineering workflows and deliverables, integration with EPC project execution, industry applications, career opportunities, benefits of undergoing specialized training through URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Let us begin. Understanding digital engineering in EPC projects. Before discussing SPEL and S3D, it is important to understand the concept of digital engineering. Traditional engineering projects relied heavily on standalone drawings, spreadsheets, disconnected databases, and manual coordination among engineering disciplines. This often resulted in data inconsistencies, engineering clashes, design rework, schedule overruns, cost escalation. Modern EPC projects now utilize integrated engineering environments where all disciplines operate within a centralized engineering database. The objectives are single source of truth, real-time engineering collaboration, automated deliverable generation, engineering change management, enhanced project visibility, life cycle data management. SPEL and Smart 3D are key technologies supporting this digital transformation. Smart Plant Electrical (SPEL) Detailed Technical Overview. Smart Plant Electrical is an enterprise-level electrical engineering design and information management solution. It provides a centralized repository for managing electrical engineering information throughout the project lifecycle. Core modules within SPEL. Electrical equipment management. Engineers can manage motors, transformers, switchgear, UPS systems, generators, MCCs, panels, distribution boards. All technical parameters are stored in a structured database environment. Load management. SPEL performs comprehensive electrical load calculations including corrected load, demand load, operating load, spare load, future load. This enables accurate power system planning and sizing. Cable management system. The software manages cable schedules, cable routing, cable sizing, voltage drop calculations, short circuit calculations, cable try utilization. Benefits include improved cable optimization and reduced installation costs. Ratio management. SPEL supports cable trays, trench systems, conduits, duct banks. Engineers can model routing systems while ensuring compliance with project standards. Electrical single line diagram (SLD) development. SPEL allows engineers to create intelligent single line diagrams, distribution networks, electrical interconnection diagrams. Changes in equipment data automatically update associated diagrams. Reporting and deliverables. SPEL automatically generates load lists, equipment lists, cables schedules, motor lists, transformer schedules, electrical material takeoffs. This significantly reduces manual engineering effort. Smart S3D Advanced Technical Overview. Smart 3D is one of the most advanced intelligent 3D engineering platforms used by major EPC contractors worldwide. Unlike conventional CAD software, S3D is a data-centric and rule-driven. Every component within the model contains intelligent engineering attributes. Key disciplines supported: Equipment modeling. Engineers create intelligence models for pressure vessels, reactors, columns, heat exchangers, pumps, compressors, storage tanks. Each object contains engineering specifications and metadata. Piping design. Piping designers can develop process piping, utility piping, instrument air systems, fire water networks, cryogenic systems. Capabilities include specification driven design, automated routing, clash detection, pipe support management. Structural modeling. S3D supports structural steel design, pipe racks, platforms, stairways, access structures. Structural members are created using predefined engineering standards. Electrical design integration. Electrical engineers can model cable trays, conduits, lighting systems, electrical equipment layouts. Integration with SPEL improves engineering consistency. HVAC modeling. Engineers can design air handling systems, ventilation ducts, exhaust systems within the same intelligent plant model. Smart 3D deliverables. One of the Smart 3D's strongest capabilities is automated deliverable generation. Outputs include general arrangement drawings, plot plans, equipment layout drawings, isometric drawings, structural drawings, material takeoff reports, bill of quantities, construction deliverables. Whenever model changes occur, deliverables can be regenerated automatically. This dramatically improves engineering productivity. Integration between SPEL and Smart 3D. Modern projects require multidisciplinary coordination. SPEL and Smart 3D integration allows electrical equipment synchronization, cable tray coordination, equipment location verification, engineering data consistency, change management control. The result is a highly integrated digital engineering environment. This approach significantly reduces energy errors during detailed design and construction phases. Global demand for SPEL and S3D professionals. Major EPC organizations globally utilize smart plant and smart 3D technologies. Industries include oil and gas, petrochemical, refinery, LNG, power generation, nuclear, water treatment, green hydrogen, carbon capture projects. Professionals with expertise in SPEL and S3D are in demand for roles such as electrical design engineer, smart plant administrator, S3D administrator, piping designer, plant designer, design engineer, BIM and digital engineering specialist, EPC project engineer, lead design engineer. Countries actively recruiting include Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Oman, Kuwait, India, Singapore, Malaysia, Australia, United States, Canada. Why choose URGS training? URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited offers industry-focused training programs designed to bridge the gap between academic knowledge and real project execution. Training features online and on-site training worldwide, instructor-led practical sessions, real EPC project workflows, database configuration exercises, equipment modeling practice, electrical engineering applications, intelligent plant modeling, deliverables generation techniques, industry best practices, corporate best training, one-to-one mentoring options, certificate of completion. Participants gain practical exposure to engineering workflows used by leading EPC organizations globally. At last, closing remarks. As industries move toward digital engineering, Industry 4.0, smart manufacturing, and intelligent asset management, expertise in smart plant, electrical, and smart 3D has become a significant competitive advantage. Whether you are an engineering student, design engineer, project engineer, or experienced professional, developing SPEL and S3D expertise can significantly enhance your career opportunities. Join URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited and become part of the next generation of digital engineering professionals. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more engineering, EPC, digital design and professional development content. Thank you.